Hello friends, I'm very happy to meet you today to present you a new recipe. This delicious recipe is that of pan-fried scallops with cream and lime. We find ourselves immediately in front of your scallops. Start by gently heating a little olive oil in your pan. We put our scallops in the pan and we stay on very low heat. They are only cooked for 1 minute on each side. Then we remove them. Place a little chopped shallot or onion in the pan and cook for just 1 minute over very low heat. We pour after a lime juice that we will reduce by half. Then we pour the cream that we will boil for just 1 minute. Remove from it and add chopped parsley. All you have to do is prepare your dish and enjoy. Bon appétit, my friends.